In this video, we're going to demonstrate the automatic membrane generation that's in NDN Membrane Tensile Analysis software. What we have here is a relatively random shaped perimeter of a structure. We'll use generate membrane. We'll use the automatic method. Click out some points to define the perimeter of the structure. We don't have to be perfect about this. The software will find it okay. That was definitely less than perfect. And then we click on two nodes to define the warp direction. Now it's optimizing the mesh. And it's done. The warp orientation is just what we asked for, shown here by the little arrows. And notice the surface is quite smooth. We still would want to put this through form finding to find the perfect equilibrium shape, but it's very close to it just as it comes out of the mesh generator. In this next example, we have kind of a double hypar shape. Again, we'll go into the editor, generate membranes, use a few more elements this time. Again, use the automatic generator. Click out some nodes on the perimeter. I'm really being more careful than I need to. And then a couple of nodes to define what the warp direction is to be. Now it's optimizing and smoothing the mesh, and now it's done. Again, we have a nice smooth surface. We would want to take this through form finding, but this video is just demonstrating the meshing. Again, the arrows indicate the warp direction. Now, as long as we've got this nice smooth mesh, let's run a few sample patterns. We'll go into the pattern environment. Quick demonstration. We'll put a seam right down the middle, pattern off in this direction. Now it's locating the seams so that our patterns fit precisely on the width of fabric that we asked for. The last pattern we'll put in with the semi-automatic method, where we just trace out the perimeter. We view our patterns. They look good. Exploded assembly style. Now remember, we did not do form finding on this model. If it was a real structure, we would of course do form finding before we do patterning. Thanks for watching.